Subtraction starts today. Take some numbers all away. Tony learns a simple trick. Count what's left nice and quick. Fun in every way. 2 apples, 1 away. 1 is left for us to say. Tony smiles and shows it clear. Learning math without a fear. Easy work and play. 2 are left just where they are. Tony counts them with delight. Everything is going right. Learning like a star. Take away and count again. Numbers change from now to then. Tony watches 1 go by. Fun for every friend. What is left? Let's count it now. Tony shows and see what stays. Learning math in simple ways. Smile upon his brow. Play a game and solve it right. Tony learns with pure delight. Pick the answer, try your best. Math can be a fun-filled test, shining big and bright. Pick the answer, try your best. Math can be a fun-filled test, shining big and bright. Think about the numbers here. Take away and make it clear. Tony uses brain so fast, learning skills